So right here we have an electromagnetic field tester. We got us some rice. So as you can see, we're getting about 35 there. Just to give you a better idea of how much radiation that is, here's a phone playing YouTube, and if we go ahead and put this up to it, you can see that right there we're getting around 7, and that seems to be the max. So back it up, getting around 16, 9. So the radiation is still coming out this far, about 2 feet away. So this is around the same level you're getting off your phone. Right around here is where it starts to be a green light, so it's a lot safer. About 3 feet away from the microwave itself. As long as you're about 2 feet away, you should be pretty good. Even though this is radiation, it hasn't been found to really have any negative health effects, but I would still rather avoid any kind of radiation if I can.